A stunning cake which can be made on birthdays or any special occasion, or for that matter, the base cake can be made on any day without any occasion and enjoyed by your family. That such a simple and delicious cake is what we are making. Let's get into the recipe straight away. Hello dear friends, let's make a very tasty chocolate cake with all these ingredients. We will start by whipping up 5 egg whites with the measurements I have already stated out. Now this is sugar which we will add bit by bit and fluff it up till it is very frothy. We will add a pinch of salt and start whipping again. I'll add the sugar little at a time in 3-4 additions, and then so it has reached the stiff peak stage. We will stop here, keep it aside, and we will take the egg yolks now. Since the egg yolks were smaller, the eggs were very small which I got, so I have taken 6 egg yolks. The measurement says 5 large egg yolks. So now, along with sugar, 50 gram sugar, now we will pour this yolk mix into the egg white. Now we will sift in the dry ingredients, the cake flour, cocoa powder, and the raising agents. Now this has mixed thoroughly. A little bit of milk and vanilla essence into this. I'll pour this. Just one final mix. As we all know, nothing baked should be over mixed. So that is it, and now I'll transfer this into a baking tin. Just tease the mixture to remove any large air bubbles. Tap it and put it at 165 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Now this is how it has come out of the oven. I have checked with the toothpick and it is coming clean. I had kept it for about 42 minutes in fact. So this is it. This was fluffed up, now it has settled down a little bit. after cooking maybe. So I'll keep it to completely cool down. I'll make the frosting for this. This is 400 gram of whipping cream. This is icing sugar, 60 gram. This is cocoa powder, and about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence that I'll add, and a pinch of salt to bring out the taste of all sweet things. All sweet things require a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. So I'll whip it up and get an amalgamated mixture and fluff it up as much as you can, and then we will start frosting the cake. So I have 3 portions of the cake now. You can see how soft and tender it is. I've cut this cake into 3 sections as I showed you, and this is the frosting. I'll use this. For the glazing on the cake, this is completely optional. You may go in for this. This is 130 grams of hot whipping cream. I have heated it in the microwave. This is around 15 to 20 grams of butter. Unsalted one is preferable. Into that I'll add chocolate pieces. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate as per your liking. And let it melt. Let it sit for a while. On its own it will all come together. This is ready now. So this is my beautiful cake. So I'll cut it and show, since this is for a birthday. I'll cut it and show. So do make this wonderful tasting cake, and do share your comments on Gluten Free India. Please like, share and subscribe to Gluten Free India, and please ask your friends and family to do so. Please do make this cake and share your comments on this cake and put out your videos and photos of the same. Thank you.